Tyler Robinson, the alleged shooter who shot and killed Charlie Kirk, is he a Muslim? No. Is he an immigrant? No. Already people were giving me death threats and blaming Muslims, calling for Muslim countries to be bombed, not even knowing who the shooter was. And now that you found out that he is a white Caucasian born in America, Utah citizen, are you going to call for America to be bombed? Are you going to call for Utah to be bombed? Now that you know that from his neighbor's own admission, he used to go with his family to church, the LDS Latter-day Saints, commonly called Mormons, are you going to blame all Mormons or all Christians? No, and you shouldn't. I work with people from the LDS church. I know, I've lived next to them, and many of them are great people. You should not blame them for his actions. But your hypocrisy is exposed to the world. Share this video, show the world that if he had been a Muslim, if he had been a brown man, if he had been an immigrant, you would be blaming all of us. But today, you're going to say, well, he just had some anger issues. No, this is hypocrisy, and we're going to call it out. We should not blame an entire community, an entire religion, an entire segment of our society for the actions of the few. We as Muslims don't condone that, and we condemn your hypocrisy.